A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A big black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going. Gone.